Many people have asked me what to use during the fasting so they don't get thirsty and don't get dehydrated. So today I'll be sharing a secret ingredient mentioned in almost all the books of Ayurveda or Eastern medicine, which is also known as Hikmat, and it is used in such a way that it not only prevents dehydration, it also gives you many additional health benefits. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the immediate notification of these beneficial videos. Also share this video with all your family and friends who are willing to do dry fasting but they are afraid of dry fasting because they think they'll get thirsty. Dry fasting is basically no food or water. So we'll start right after the intro. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and Alhamdulillah the blessed month of Ramadan is upon us, but it is seen in many desi households that people to quench their thirst use soft drinks and processed juices, which is not good because they are laden with sugars, preservatives and what not. So today I'll be sharing 3 easy drinks that are quick to make and loaded with health benefits. You are gonna tell me which of these 3 you like in the comment section below. So let's get started. So our first drink is strawberry lassi or strawberry trifle, and for that we need fresh strawberries. Just wash them and cut them in halves like this and decorate your glass pitcher or container in which you are gonna present your lassi or trifle with strawberries like this. This step is actually optional. You can skip this step and move right on the strawberry lassi recipe, but this additional step will add some love along with the other health benefits to your lassi. See, it is very easy to just open a can of soda and give it to someone, but this quick step will add fireworks to your drink, and as my mom says, whatever looks good tastes good also. Once you are done pressing the strawberry halves against your glass pitcher, take 1 cup of coconut milk. I am using canned coconut milk. Make sure that your can is BPA free. You can also make it very quickly at your home. I have just shared the recipe of how to make coconut milk few days back. If you have A2 milk, you can use A2 milk also, because A2 milk is less inflammatory and it is not really easily available though, so that's why I'm using coconut milk. Also coconut milk is keto friendly because it has lesser amount of carbs in it. You can also use milk kefir instead of milk. Milk kefir again is a probiotic which is very healthy, loaded with beneficial bacteria, also called probiotics. This is the beauty of home cooked or home prepared meals or drinks. You can use whatever you like in your coconut milk or kefir, whatever you are using. Add 1 tablespoon of gum tragacanth. Tragacanth gum is a very beneficial gum. It is a naturally low carb option because it has a large amount of fiber in it. 100 gram, that is about 1 cup, has only 5 gram of net carbs, and these carbs basically are very beneficial carbs. They help to control your blood sugars, they help to control your blood pressure, your cholesterol levels. Not only that, they help quench thirst because they retain water in them. So that's why if you mix 1 tablespoon in 1 cup of milk or kefir, whatever, and drink it early morning, all through the day you will have a constant supply of water, and plus the fiber is very good for the gut health. Like people with IBS or any gut issues will experience dramatic improvement after taking this drink. So once you mix your gum tragacanth into your milk, add a tablespoon of chia seeds. This is optional, you can skip this step if you want. You can add, for a sweetener, you can add stevia, erythritol, monk fruit, whatever 0 calorie 0 insulin sweetener you want. If you are following keto diet, I would recommend add low salt in it, because usually people following keto diet are low on potassium, and low salt is a potassium salt. So just mix this all up together and pour it into your cups. We have to leave this overnight because the gum needs to soak up all the water. So during Ramadan or otherwise before going to bed, prepare this drink, refrigerate it, because this drink is best served chilled. because in this way not only will the gum absorb all the water, it will also cause a thickening effect because it is a natural thickening agent. In the morning you will take out your cups and decorate it. I am using shatut. You can use whatever berries are available fresh from the local market, and you can drink it or even use a spoon. Either way it is very refreshing. You have to try it. Next we'll be making gum sorbet, and for that we need gum tragacanth again. You will be wondering why is Dr. Asma such a fan of gum tragacanth. A gum tragacanth is really very beneficial. You can see the scientific research links in the description box below. Gum tragacanth or goond katira not only has a cooling effect and quenches thirst, it is also very good for new moms because it improves the uterine health. Just remember you have to soak it in water. So I am adding 1 tablespoon of gum tragacanth or goond katira, and I'll be adding about a cup of water in it. Mix this gum mixture well and leave it to refrigerate overnight. You can get this goond katira gum tragacanth from any local Indian desi store in the form of like small lumps. I have ground this gum, so it becomes powdery like this, so it is easier to dissolve. Anyway, leave this gum mixture to refrigerate overnight. In the morning at the time of suhoor, before you start your fast, take out this golden liquid, add it to your blender. Now add whatever berries you like. I am adding strawberries, some shatut. You can add whatever you like, blueberries, cranberries, like it is your imagination, it is your choice, whatever you feel like drinking in the morning. Now if you are on a keto diet and want to sweeten it, you can add no-cal or stevia. For people doing fasting, I would recommend add a bit of low salt, which is a source of potassium. It is a potassium salt basically. Now blend it all together, and once you blend it, you will be mesmerized by the color of your drink. Can you see this color? I can only show you the color. I cannot make you taste the exotic taste of this wonderful berry gum sorbet. You have to make it. It is wonderful. Last but not the least, we'll be making a Nabeez inspired super energizing, super cooling drink. Nabeez basically was a date drink that our Prophet ﷺ liked very much. He used to soak dates overnight. We'll be soaking 1 tablespoon of gum tragacanth in a cup of water and some 4 or 5 dates. Make sure that you wash them, clean them, take out the stone inside before soaking. Keep in mind 1 date has about 10 gram of carbs, and these are very healthy carbs, and the best time to take any form of carbs is basically at the end of your fast or after a workout, because in both these cases the insulin sensitivity is at a peak, and once you take dates or any other carbohydrates and along with that you take some form of protein, it is gonna make muscle mass. It will not never, the protein will never go into making fat. Also keep in mind that breaking your fast with a sunnah approved drink instead of sugary drinks or cold drinks has its own ajr benefits also. So the practical way of doing this is soak your dates in gum tragacanth overnight before you sleep, before going to bed. In the morning, take out this chilled gum tragacanth and dates mixture, put it in a blender, blend it, and you will be amazed by this golden fluid. It is so energizing, and once you drink it, you will not feel thirsty no matter how long your fast is. Just tell me how you liked it in the comment section below, and thank you for watching the video till the end. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.